Model Man Frank here. Welcome back to the shop. Spirit 100. As I told you before, I was going to cut the nose off. This is the model with the nose off, motor installed. Motor from Amazon, inexpensive motor. Got ESC from Flight Test, 35A. It will have a battery at the end of it. Most likely probably a 2200 or a 1800 I'll probably put on. I don't know yet, but servo bank here, battery. Here will be a 6 channel receiver. Most likely the battery will go in the back. Don't know yet, still trying to figure that out. Epoxy that I just mixed up. Attaching the bolts to the backing plate so we can attach the wings to the fuselage. Getting ready to do control surfaces. This will be the folding prop for the aircraft. This is the upper deck. These are the wings. Control surfaces already installed. As you can see, this is aileron, flap control. I've already done the dry fit on the wings. Everything looks good. This is the canopy for the front nose, which will go like that. So, all in all, this is everything that's going on with the aircraft. As you can see, it's going together pretty firmly. Don't know timetable when I'll be finished with it because I'm still working also on the bird of time. So this is going around pretty rapidly. Maybe in about 2 weeks I'll have it ready to go for a flight test. So we'll go on it from there. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up of what's going on. Model Man Frank, out.